Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable options trading in Robinhood step by step in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to enable options in Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Account button in the upper right corner. Next, tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll until you find Options Trading and tap on it. Now, tap the Enable button to begin the setup process. Robinhood will ask you a few questions about your investing experience, knowledge, and financial situation. Answer these questions honestly, as Robinhood uses them to determine your options trading eligibility. Once you've completed the questions and submitted your application, Robinhood will review it. In many cases, approval happens quickly, but sometimes it may take a little longer. After you're approved, options trading will be enabled on your account, and you'll be able to start trading options directly in the app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Robinhood tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.